Hey friends, so welcome to my 2016 Sprinter 3500 170-inch wheelbase build. I've got a lot of work done. This was a mess, cleaned it up. The floor, rust, dirt, spray painted the entire with Rust-Oleum oil-based paint. Laid down PVC lattice to fit the valleys, get it flat as possible, so didn't want any dips in the future. Even with a 1/2-inch plywood and finished flooring, there could be some dips, but that's what I did. Spent lots of money on the PVC. So just laid down Reflectix insulation on the floor, use a 4-foot roll and use a 24-inch roll to get that side. Trying to save on money, not cut up a whole 24-inch. Well, it would have been short on the 24-inch. I think it's 24-inch. It can't be. So got 2 strips there, basically. But sealed it up with the aluminum flashing tape, Reflectix tape at all the seams on the edges. This side will probably have the wet side, the water side, water pump, and such, and this side electrical. So everything's been waterproof, vapor proofed pretty much. This is sealed tight, including all the edges, as you can see. That's seal tape there, flashing tape for windows and doors, rubberized. Use that on there. I'll probably put Reflectix over that. It's a sound deadening, weatherproofing thing that's on there, and very strong stuff. So I could already tell driving this down the road, it's so much quieter. Got to get the wheel wells if you got a dually that has the second wheel coming inside. Very important, otherwise it's very noisy. Right now it's noisy with the walls because there's no additional plywood to keep it from vibrating a little bit, reverberation. And these are sound deadening type of devices. Probably same thing as a Reflectix tape there that Mercedes taped on there to absorb the sound, so it travels, deadens right there to lessen all the rattle and sound such. So this is done. Normally people may get the ceiling and walls done first, but I prefer to do the floor there. I'll finish it out. There's a plastic piece that goes on that end. I'll probably put a trim along the edge. So everything's sealed. Everything's sealed. That right there, I'm going to do a test. This is part of the seal tape I got on the wheel well. I want to take temperature readings, see the temperature difference. I could already feel it. Yeah. But I don't know. I may put some of this on here for additional. No, I'm sorry. I'm going to put windows all along this side. So can't do that. But I will put insulation, more sound deadening, probably things in there on the top side. Then put Havelock wool insulation and Reflectix on the outside, or reverse it around. I don't know. I've never used a wool insulation, and I don't know if it'll stick in there. I don't want it collapsing. So this is all I got to do. Take a shower, get cleaned up, and go to church. So I think it looks sweet. I've done lots of work. Right now, pain break and work, being on my butt, knees to put this down, and especially the seal tape. That took a long time. Of course, this 4-foot roll of the Reflectix, one big huge piece cut around the wheel well, easy to do, getting a nice clean cutout, then using the Reflectix tape, aluminum tape, to seal around it. Vapor tight. So, yeah, I'm building my house. Give my video a thumbs up on YouTube, please, and subscribe if you like. I appreciate it. God bless. Have a great day. Today's Sunday, Sacrament Sunday.